Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Renault Clio, 1999 to 2005? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The relays in pre-February 2001 passenger compartment fuse box of Renault Clio controls and protects circuits for interior electrical components like power windows, wipers, lights, and ignition-related relays. The relays since March 2001 passenger compartment fuse box of Renault Clio manages and safeguards updated interior electrical systems, including enhanced control modules, lighting, wipers, and power accessories. Engine compartment fuse box. The pre-February 2001 engine compartment fuse box of Renault Clio protects and controls essential engine-related circuits such as fuel injection, cooling fans, ABS, and ignition systems. March 2001 to October 2001, engine compartment fuse box of Renault Clio controls and protects engine and powertrain circuits like ECU, cooling fans, fuel system, and ignition. The engine compartment fuse box. Since November 2001 of Renault Clio controls and protects circuits for engine management, ECU, cooling fans, lighting, and safety systems. The engine compartment fuse box 2 pre-February 2001 of Renault Clio supports and protects additional engine-related circuits such as ABS, cooling systems, and secondary power functions. The engine compartment fuse box 2, March 2001 to October 2001, of Renault Clio handles and protects auxiliary engine circuits like ABS, cooling fans, and secondary power systems. The engine compartment fuse box 2, since November 2001, of Renault Clio manages and protects supplementary engine and safety-related circuits such as ABS, cooling, and power distribution.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.